One is the resting places in Semenyih, Selangor. Setia Eco Hill Park. If you want to relax on the weekend with the Setia Eco Hill Park family, it is perfect for the whole family. Her small children can play in the playground that has been provided, while parents can exercise using the exercise equipment facilities available here. You also do not need to bring a bicycle if you want to bike because everything is ready. Eco Majestic and Eco Forest. If you want to see the uniqueness of the garden landscape that follow the theme of other countries, such as London, Paris, Amsterdam, Shanghai, and Japan, you can visit the Eco Majestic and Eco Forest Semenyih. Eco Forest. In the Eco Forest, the landscape theme features is the Japan theme, and the location is on Broga Road, close to Broga Hill. You can enjoy beautiful cherry blossom and other landscape sculptures with Japan culture. Semenyih Eco Venture. For fans of extreme sport, activity or team building company, you can come and stay at this Eco Venture Resort and Recreation, Semenyih. The facility and equipment of the accommodation and activities provided here are very complete. The rooms provided are also very unique and attractive. Just choose and you want to spend the night in a container room, a tube room, and a villa. Semenyih Dam or Dam is a water catchment area for Semenyih residents. If you want to see the beauty of the plant green, you can come here. Sungai Tekala. Sungai Tekala is one of the popular waterfall recreation center in the Hulu Langat area apart from Sungai Chongkak and Sungai Gabai. From Semenyih town to Sungai Tekala is about 20 minutes. Broga Hill. Broga Hill is the most popular hill climb since its opening. Bangi Wonderland. The first air theme park in Bangi, still its location in Bangi, is still there with Semenyih. There are a variety of exciting activities such as Anaconda Trail, Body Slide, Boomerang, and more. Ladybird Organic Farm is a new concept in Semenyih. The location on Broga Hill, and this farm has the concept of organic crop and can be visited by the public. Perfect for kindergarten and primary school children. Educational visit. Hot spring. Hot spring very suitable for those who like hot spring to relax the mind.